Dear friends, currently the market is full of hybrid SUVs, primarily focusing on fuel and energy efficiency. However, finding a truly powerful one can be challenging. The Lincoln Adventurer could be an exciting option worth considering as it's right beside me. In April this year, he updated the 2.26 models from 169,900 yuan in reality, and the 2.25 Lincoln Adventurer also took out a big discount from 179,900 yuan in reality. Although it is an alarming SUV, it is equipped with a 2.0T engine with outstanding power performance in the same class. When it comes to choosing the Lincoln Adventurer, it's essential to delve into the differences between the 2026 and 2025 models. Let us take a closer look at the pricing and versions. The 2026 lineup includes 5 configurations, while the 2025 has 6. Both series feature 2 powertrain options, fuel-only and hybrid. As mentioned earlier, the 2026 models have a lower starting price and offer more advanced driving functionalities than their 2025 counterparts, making them a compelling choice. If you want to start the fuel version of 2026 front-drive wind subboard, it is really worth considering. On the whole, the same budget in the price range can also consider the BMW X1 Audi Q3 with a similar price range after the high-profile RVC Rongfang discount. Compared with RVC Rongfang, Lincoln Adventurer has stronger luxury attributes. Compared with BMW X1 and Audi Q3, Lincoln Adventurer has a gas-electric hybrid version with more power choices. In terms of appearance, the Adventurer adopts the design language of Quad 2.0. The front point is a new loss, which is an economic grid and an LED daytime running light strip. The lines on the side of the body are relatively stable and the atmosphere has a restrained high-end sense. The overall body size is 4,612 mm and 1887 mm. The 1630 mm wheelbase is 2711 mm, which is more than the Volvo X40 joint venture model of the same class. Its wheelbase still has certain advantages which can provide basic guarantee for the seating space in the car. The through-type taillights at the rear are also Lincoln's family characteristics compared to the same locomotive. The appearance of Audi Q3 is refined and neat, but a little too conservative and not individual enough. The appearance of the Adventurer is the kind of calm aesthetic that doesn't rely on exaggerated lines to pick the eye. In terms of multi-capability, the trunk of most versions is regularly 594 liters and the rear seats can be folded down. This 1373 liters can be expanded. The 2025 top-of-the-line four-wheel drive model is slightly smaller with a volume range of 586 to 169 liters. There is little difference between the 2025 and 2026 models shining into the car. The Lincoln Adventurer's cockpit takes a simple and luxurious route, and there is no complicated line design as a whole. With 10 points of kindness, most of the reachable areas are covered with soft materials and feel delicate. Compared with the sporty cockpit atmosphere of the same class Cadillac XT4, it has a little less sense of fighting. How much more comfortable relaxation from a stay-at-home class. The 12.3-inch full-body instrument and the 27-meter central touchscreen form a through-type flat layout with a wide visual sense. Compared with the traditional interior of Audi Q3, the layout has a more prominent sense of technology and youth. The steering wheel is wrapped in leather and the grip is delicate and smooth. When Lincoln delayed the iconic case design, CCP under the platform wasn't regulated. Physical air conditioning controls remained for easier blind operation while driving. The 2026 model features high subplate front seats with ventilation and four-wheel drive wet tooth plates. The Boss increases massage. Other versions are front row heating, while the 2025 model is standard with front row seat heating, and the front row ventilated models above the entry panel are standard with additional seat massage function. Right, the richness of seat functions of Volvo X40 is even better. Except for our version, the 2025 model is equipped with a panoramic sunroof, while the 2026 model is equipped with a panoramic sunroof except for the entry-level version. The Lincoln Adventurer on the car is equipped with Qualcomm Snapdragon 815 chip. Execute Sync plus onboard intelligent system. This system is also applied to other American joint venture cars, and the daily opening of application exchange interface is 10 points smooth. Voice interaction. This is the housewife's fake double vaginal device recognition, which can accurately distinguish the instructions on both sides. The 2025 model supports CarPlay's mobile phone interconnection. On this basis, the 2026 model adds a curtain of mobile phone interconnection to improve compatibility. In terms of driver assistance configuration, 2025 drill and above models are equipped with full-speed adaptive cruise and Copilot 360 2.1 driver assistance system, and 2026 models are standard across the series. In terms of hard home configuration, its top model in 2025 is equipped with 360-degree whole-world images, and the rest of the versions are ordinary reversing images. The 2026 model is the front-wheel drive Gauya Plate series and the four-wheel drive luxury Yaman version, which are equipped with rear space, which is the core of compact SUVs. Considering that after adjusting the front row to a comfortable sitting posture of 1.65 meters, the rear legroom has 3 rights. Headroom also has 1 turn. Although the wheelbase data is only over 2.7 meters, the actual riding experience is more spacious than the parameter performance. Compared with BMW X1, the rear space will be slightly compact, but it is completely sufficient for daily household use. The comfort of the rear seats is consistent with that of the front row, and the padding is moderately soft and hard, supporting front and rear sliding and backrest angle adjustment. However, due to the riding habits of passengers of different sizes, the 2025 model is only equipped with 2 rows of seats to be heated on the top. On the 2026 model, not only is the top equipped with 4-wheel drive wet plate standard, but also the fuel version of the front-wheel drive high-pressure version can enjoy the power. 2 sets of fuel and hybrid schemes are available. The hybrid version is equipped with a 1.5T turbocharged engine and a combination of front-mounted single motor. The engine offers 140,000 watts, 226 Nm torque. The automatic motor has total power of 960 million and 235 Nm torque, paired with an eCVT 5G gearbox for fuel consumption of 5.47 to 5.59 liters per 100 km. The fuel version is equipped with a 2.0T warm-wheel engine with a maximum power of 192,000 watts and a torque of 395 Nm. It is equipped with an 8-speed mobile phone one-body gearbox. The comprehensive fuel consumption of WRTC is 7.99 to 8.62 liters per 100 kilometers. The two sets of dongly more weight-measuring hybrid versions have lower fuel consumption, smooth power output, clear logic of linear fuel plate gearbox, and direct plastic forest, but the fuel consumption performance is relatively higher. How to choose mainly depends on the comprehensive demand of personal vehicles. On the first day, the official guide price of 2025 2.0 T2 Drive exclusive version. After the terminal discount of 58,800 yuan, the drop-off price can be reduced to less than 200,000 yuan, which is the most fuel version of the mid-range model. It is equipped with panoramic sunroof, a whole batch of steering wheel, front seats, heating and ventilation, all navigation as soon as possible, etc., which can fully meet the needs of daily traffic and household use, and the price is also 10 points friendly. Compared with the 2026 front-drive electric panel front shooting seats with similar prices, only the heated overhead is a panoramic canopy. In contrast, only L2 driving assistance is upgraded. If you want to experience more comprehensive driving assistance, it is better to consider the naked car price of 169,090,000 after the entry-level discount of 2026. Overall, the low to mid versions of the 2025 Lincoln Adventurer are more cost-effective. With a lower starting cost, it can get the configuration level of other luxury brands at the same level, and the brand premium is lower. Its appearance is calm and atmospheric. Zhazang is comfortable and practical, and it is a luxurious rhythm. Like SUV, it is a pragmatic choice. What do you think of this car? Let's have a chat. That's all we saw in this experience, and I'll see you next time.